Hello everyone, welcome back to Unday Radar Talks. NVIDIA stock plunged 9.5% on Tuesday. In fact, the bulls who drove the stock price up have long lost their pricing power, and one of the reasons why the bears dominate the market price may be the expectation that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in September, which has led to capital frantically pushing down the stock price to absorb more chips and short covering. But the question is this wave of NVIDIA stock decline over? I don't think it has yet, but there is no need to worry, the bottom is not far away. The stock has consolidated at the $128 level for 8 trading days, which has caused a lot of capital to exit the market at this position. From here, the bulls have lost their pricing power. However, the stock failed to find support at the $120 and $114 levels. Although there are a lot of positions distributed at these two positions, the panic in the market has accelerated the selling of the shorts, and there is no chance of consolidation. Why? Because there may be a lot of funds waiting to take over below $100. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart of the stock. We can see that the trading volume generated by the stock on August 29th and 30th was still very large. The stock price struggled for one more trading day at this position because there were bulls trying to block the bears at the same level, but it obviously failed, so this means that the $120 level will become one of the key resistances after the stock price rebounds. The trading volume of the stock on September 3rd was relatively evenly distributed, but the stock price showed a gradual downward trend, which means that the bulls tried to block the bears due to the stock price plunge, because the current price has fallen 17% from the highest price in August. But as analyzed above, a large amount of funds are not waiting to take over at the $108 level, because the current price is only about 10% of the profit margin from the $120 level, so the stock price has reason to adjust further downward. Let's take a look at the capital flow data of the stock. We can see that the net capital outflow of the stock on August 28th was as high as $1.5 billion. Because the bulls have lost the pricing power, the large-scale selling of the bears has led to a significant increase in the trading volume on that day. But the problem is that on September 3rd, which had more trading volume, its net capital outflow amount was only $912 million. As mentioned earlier, although the bears had the upper hand, the bulls still tried to resist the bears. A large amount of funds flowed into the market, causing its trading volume to increase significantly, but more capital flowed out of the market. Let's take a look at the market position distribution data of the stock. We can see that the stock has a large number of positions distributed at the level of $128, but this position is out of reach. The stock also accumulated a large number of positions between $128 and $114, a large part of which came from previous long capital, but these long capital did not give the stock price a strong support, indicating that the market hopes to adjust the stock price as soon as possible. We see that the current price level of the stock does not have too many positions, so $108 is not the starting point for the stock price rebound, so we need to at least focus on $104 or below. Considering that the stock price consolidated in the area below $104 in early August, it makes sense that the stock price will find a foothold in this area this time. But this does not mean that the stock price will rebound sharply immediately. I think the stock price may consolidate between $99 and $108 for a while, because the longs are still vulnerable and the positions above $114 need to be diluted. But this area may be a potential profit opportunity. Okay guys, this is my price prediction for NVIDIA stock. Thank you for watching. If you like my analysis, please click the subscription button and give a thumbs up. I will bring you more latest price predictions for hot stocks later. See you in the next video.